So for those individuals that may have concerns that the Airbubble bag is going to influence or remove any fingerprints, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration just to alleviate some of your concerns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this extremely shiny glass bottle and I'm going to apply lots of wet fingerprints to the bottle. Place the bottle inside the Airbubble bag and we'll inflate the bag. So as you can see, the bottle has been completely suspended. Okay, as you can see. And what we're going to do is just to show that there's no movement or removal of the fingerprints. It's been given a damn good shake. If that was in a box, you would have never have stopped all the movement, and that would have then been the concern for the removal of the fingerprints. So I'm just going to release the air out of the bag so it'll allow me to remove the bottle. Just take a standard brush, some black powder, and we'll just see if we've got any smudged marks. And as you can see, all those marks, none of them are actually smudged. If anybody's got any questions or need to discuss it, then please contact SceneSafe.